Hello, hello. Establish your business, protect your name, and keep your profits. Hello, I'm Temi Shiambade, Houston-based attorney and creator of Ask Temi Live, where we discuss the best ways to establish your business, protect your name, and keep your profits. Today, we are going to answer the question, can I register my trademark by myself? The short answer to your question is yes. All things are possible to he who believes. But the better question is, should you? Let's explore that a little bit more. The reason why I say should you is that if you work really hard at it, yes, you can, but who knows how successful you'll be, because there are 3 areas that you really need to consider when it comes to being successful on registering your trademark. The first thing you want to think about is your level of skill and experience, right? You want to consider, do I know this trademark world enough? When you go online and you see the different online providers that are trying to help you register your trademark on your own, one of the things that they never tell you is they don't tell you that in most trademark applications you're going to receive an initial denial. They don't tell you that. And they don't tell you how to solve that. They don't tell you that that's where a lot of trademark registrations die. They don't tell you any of that. They don't tell you that you are going to be put up against another attorney, that the people at the United States Patent and Trademark Office are actually attorneys evaluating your mark. That's really, really important to know, that your skill level with regards to navigating legal documents and making legal arguments may be required in registering your trademark. So your question is, how much skill do I have in this area? The next question you want to ask is, how much time do I have to waste? See, as an attorney, this is what I do. This is what I like to do. It's not a waste of time. But for an entrepreneur who has to worry about product development, who has to worry about customer service, who has to worry about marketing, is this another thing you want to add to your plate? Do you want to now go back and do the research that and the study that I got to do in getting my degree and getting my license? If you want to, feel free to, but I would hope that your time is more valuable than that. I believe that it would probably be a better use for you to find someone who can help you do this quickly, who can help you do this thoroughly without any issues. I think it'd be better for you to get help, a trademark attorney or a business-based attorney who can help you get through this so that you can focus on your work. And you know the truth. You know that you have a lot already. You know that as an entrepreneur, your days are packed. Focus on the things that are in front of you and let someone help you. That's one of the business secrets. Nobody becomes successful by themselves. They outsource things to other experts and to other people who can specialize in areas. And they figure out what they're best at and they hone in and focus and do that. That's what I think you should do. The third thing I want you to consider is your access to resources. So it's not just a matter of skill, because hey, you could probably, you might be much smarter than me, more equipped, very skillful, and you may have all the time in the world. But the question is, do you also have the access to the resources I have? Most people will tell you, do your initial search. You look up your mark on the United States Patent and Trademark Office. It's a great step, helps you weed through certain things. But trust me, that's not where we stop as attorneys. We don't just check the United States Patent and Trademark Office. We look at other databases. We look at your local databases. We look nationally. We look at domains. We look at social media accounts. We do in-depth trademark search and clearance before you invest in building this brand so that you don't regret it later. So many people decide, I'm going to do this myself. They decide, I don't need to register a trademark. They just start a business and they invest time, money, and energy just to find out down the line that they are infringing on someone else. And all their work goes to naught. I don't want that to be you. So again, the question is not, can you do this? The question is, should you? I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has been, please feel free to subscribe below. Additionally, go ahead and follow me on social media on places like Instagram and Facebook. I'm constantly doing live videos where I'm sharing information, bringing people in, talking about different things, sharing stories from real business people like you so that people don't make the same mistakes. All right, so follow me so you can get access to that. Additionally, I want to invite you, if you do need help and you're in the Texas area, I'm an attorney. If you need help, you always have access to that. You can feel free to schedule a consultation with me by visiting www.toslegal.com/contact. And ultimately, just let's make sure we work together to make your business successful. Hope this has been helpful. Again, I'm Temi Shiambade, and I help people establish their businesses, protect their names, and keep their profits. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.